Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to fill invite bar in Monopoly Go. So let's start the video. So first you need to open the Monopoly Go on your mobile phone. What we're going to do, you need to log in your Monopoly Go account. After log into your account, then we need to find invite option. Go to top right side bottom corner. It's named as friends. So just press into friends option. After press this option, then you see friends and family page on your mobile screen. So what we're going to do next, you can see green invite option on mobile screen. Now press on invite option. Now you can see invite bar here. So you can see many different rewards on your mobile screen. If you invite 1 friends, then you get 20 dice rewards. If you invite 3 friends, then you get 60 dice rewards. And if you invite 6 friends, then you get 100 dice rewards. And now I will show you final reward. If you invite 10 friends, then you get 150 dice and get Mr. Monopoly reward. So I'm going to show you. First of all, you can see invite option. Its color is orange. Now press on orange's invite option. Then you need to copy your odd link. Press the copy to clipboard option. It means you copied your account link. Now you can send this link to your friends on WhatsApp and Messages and other social media accounts. After that, now you can see another invite option. Its color is blue. It means you are able to invite your Facebook friends through your post and messenger messages. That's in this video. Thank you guys for your supporting. I upload 1 video every week. So stay in touch with us and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.